Hello and welcome to Administration Management System. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to use the online ActiveDuty module which has been incorporated in the AMS. It is important to note that the accounts department will open a link every month for submitting ActiveDuties for a specific time period. Heads, directors, coordinators, controlling officers of departments, institutes, centers, campuses, units of the university need to make sure the ActiveDuty submission is made before the specified time period, after which no activity will be accepted by the system. Let's get started with the tutorial. Open the AMS application in the browser by typing ams.uok.edu.in. Then enter your employee code here, then the password, then captcha, then click on the sign in button. After clicking on the sign in button, you will be redirected to the home page. On the left side, as you can see, there are many options available. You have to click on the ActiveDuty tab and then click on ActiveDuty Employee option. On the top, as you can see, the department name is displayed here and then the ActiveDuty. There can be three types of ActiveDuty available in the dropdown: normal, contractual, supplementary. First, we will start with normal ActiveDuty option. As you can see, the start date and the end date is displayed here. All employees of this department are listed here. Each employee's attendance can be checked by the department or section head by clicking on this option. Here, all the details regarding this particular employee are displayed. You can view all check-in and check-out times, as well as the summary of this particular employee's attendance. Also, you can take a printout of this employee's attendance record by clicking on this print option. All these entries are displayed using the color code. The description of the color code can be found here. Now moving back to the page. Under the heading Duty Status, there are four options available. Choosing the appropriate option and clicking on the Save Row button will save the details. For example, I'll click on this on ActiveDuty and then I'll click on the Save Row button. As you can see, the details have been saved. And here is the employee code of the head, his name, designation, and the department. If the head selects ActiveDuty withheld, he or she must describe the reason in the remarks text box. In addition, if the head selects the on leave option, he or she must write in the remarks text button whether the leave has been approved. Further, if the head accidentally clicked the Save Row button and wishes to undo it, he or she can select the NA option from this drop down and then click on this Save Row button. The name which was earlier displayed here had disappeared. Once the head has clicked on all these Save Row button, it will be automatically sent to the account section for further processing. The same process is to be followed for contractual employees. The only thing you need to select is ActiveDuty Contractual from this drop-down menu. Now, if a head wishes to release supplementary ActiveDuty of any employee, he or she must first select the ActiveDuty supplementary option from this drop-down. When you select this option, the fields will appear on the screen. These fields include month, employee code, and remarks. Suppose in this scenario, I'll first enter the month, then the employee code of that particular employee, and the remarks. The employee was on earned leave as per the order number dummy/KU/22. Then I click on this add employee active duty. It will give me a message, are you sure you want to add active duty of this employee in the selected month? I click on this OK. After clicking the OK, this entry will be displayed here. In case of multiple months of supplementary salary release for any particular employee, the head must enter each month separately. Suppose I have to add the supplementary salary for the month of November for the same particular employee. I have to click the November month, then again I have to enter the employee code, and then I'll write the remarks here. After this, I'll click on this add employee activity option again. So it will give me a message here, and then I'll click on this OK button. So this entry will be displayed here. If any of these entries needs to be deleted, the head must select the NA option and click on this Save Row button. As you can see, the entry will be automatically deleted. In case of any issue pertaining to the online ActiveDuty, for example, a particular employee not displaying in the ActiveDuty list under AMS account of the concerned head or controlling officer, the concerned head or controlling officer from his or her official email ID may kindly mail the employee code of the respective employee along with the department, center, unit, section name at amsupdate@uok.edu.in. Furthermore, the IT support official Mr. Mukhtar can be contacted on 8491995967 for prompt resolution of the issue, if any. Thank you.